My name is Dan Anderson. I'm the service manager here at Brian Currie's TRP Service Plus. We can carry out a full range of servicing and maintenance on all makes of truck and trailer. We have 12 technicians in total. They have a wide range of experience with trucks, trailers, tail lifts. And they've been with us for collectively getting on for 50 years, I should think. You know, they're a really good, well-trusted group.
TRP product's been in about for 30 years now. I've been in the industry for 40, so I've seen the development of that. Primarily started with trailers, moved to all makes, tail lifts, so give that customer the solution that he needs for all his products that he's running on the road. Recently we've come into laden brake testing at every inspection. Obviously that thing causes a challenge in making sure that the products are right and fixed first time for the customer, and TRP supports that with the products that they have on the shelf.
We have a really great workforce who are dedicated to what they're doing here for Brian Currie's, and customers know that there's always a friendly voice at the end of the phone.
Our job satisfaction is the fact that we've delivered the service to the customer, they've got their truck back on the road, and we've done a good job. The testament to that is they keep coming back. That's our goal, our aim in life, to actually give that level of service, first time fix, vehicle back on the road, customer happy.